Hello, and welcome back to SmartMoney, your SME financial literacy podcast, your practical guide to understanding money in business without complicated accounting language. My name is Mawuena. I'm a chartered accountant, and this podcast is dedicated to helping SME owners gain financial clarity, confidence, and control. In our last episode, we spoke about why many SMEs fail financially and how poor financial management plays a major role. Today, we are building on that foundation with a topic many business owners misunderstand or postpone. Bookkeeping explained for business owners. No accounting jargons. Now, let's be honest. When you hear the word bookkeeping, do you feel intimidated? Do you feel confused or bored? Or maybe you just say, I will deal with it later. If that is you, this episode is especially made for you. By the end of today's conversation, you will clearly understand what bookkeeping is, what bookkeeping is not, and why it is important to keep your daily activities, record your daily activities in your business. Let's simplify it. What bookkeeping really is. Let's start with a simple definition. Bookkeeping is the daily recording of your financial transactions in your business. That is it. No big grammar. Every time you make a sale, every time you receive money, every time you pay expense, or you issue an invoice, or you buy stock, or you pay for transportation, you pay your rent, or you pay salaries of your staff, the transaction should be recorded. Bookkeeping is not about complex calculations. It's not about accounting theories. It's not about speaking big English. It is simple about keeping proper financial records. Let me say something important. If your records is incomplete, your business decisions will be incomplete as well. If you don't know your numbers, you are guessing, and business should not be based on guessing. Now, let's look at what bookkeeping is not. Let's clear some common misconceptions about bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is not accounting. Many people think bookkeeping and accounting are the same. They are related, but not the same. Bookkeeping is recording transactions. Accounting uses those transactions to prepare financial statements, to analyze business performance, to support your tax filings, and also to prepare for audits. So bookkeeping comes first, and accounting comes second. Without bookkeeping, accounting cannot happen. If your records are not in place, even the best accountant cannot help you properly. So, bookkeeping is not only for big businesses. This is one of the biggest myths. Some small business owners say, I am small, so I will start bookkeeping when I grow. But the truth is, small businesses need bookkeeping even more. Why? Your resources are limited. Your margins are even tight. One little mistake can affect everything. Your money is limited. You must manage it carefully. So bookkeeping is not optional. Some business owners say, I will start later. Unfortunately, later is usually when problems begin. Late tax penalties, cash shortages, loan rejections, confusion about profit. Bookkeeping is not optional. It is foundational. So why bookkeeping matters for SMEs? Let's talk about this very critically. Bookkeeping helps you know if you are making profit. Without records, you are guessing. With records, you are certain. You can clearly see how much you earn, how much you spend, even what remains. That is power. Bookkeeping improves cash flow management. So you can see where money is coming from. You can see where money is going. You can see what is draining your business. But sometimes the problem is not the low sales. Sometimes the problem is the uncontrolled expenses. And bookkeeping reveals the truth. Bookkeeping supports tax compliance. Let's be practical here. Good records make tax filing easier and faster. It makes it less stressful. So instead of panicking during tax seasons, you are always prepared. Bookkeeping helps you make better decisions. Why you should know your numbers. You know when to expand. You know when to reduce costs. You know when to seek funding. You know when to even buy a new equipment. Bookkeeping shifts your business from emotional decision-making to informed decision-making. And informed decision-making reduces risk. So let's look at basic bookkeeping records every SME should keep. Let's make this practical. No matter how small your business is, you should keep these basic records. The first one is your sales records. Your daily sales, the invoices you issue, the receipts you give should all be recorded in your sales record. You must know how much you are earning. And the second one is your expense record. You pay rent, you pay utilities, you pay transportation, you pay your suppliers, you even pay salaries to your staff, you pay inventory. You should keep all these records under your expense record. You must know where your money is going. The third one, your bank and mobile money records. Your bank statements, your mobile money statement should always be collected at the end of the month and filed under your bank and mobile money records. This will help you to confirm your actual cash movement in your organization. And the fourth one is your receipts and supporting documents. Because evidence matters. If transaction has no records, it may create confusion later. And the confusion may create mistakes. Now, bookkeeping does not have to be perfect. Let me say something that may relieve you. Bookkeeping does not have to be perfect to be useful. It only needs to be consistent. It has to be accurate and be honest about it. Consistency is more important than perfection. Even having a simple notebook or a simple Excel spreadsheet or a basic software is if used consistently, is better than having nothing. Start simple, just start. In conclusion, let me leave you with this thought. If you don't keep track of your money will control your business, not the other way around. Bookkeeping is not punishment. It is protection. It protects your profits. It protects your cash flow and protects the future of your business. In our next episode, we will be discussing the financial records every SME must keep. You don't want to miss it. If this episode was helpful to you, share it with another SME owner, like or subscribe to this channel. Drop your questions in the comments. We may address them in the future episodes. If you are a financial institution, a fintech company, or a business advisory firm, or an organization supporting SMEs and would like to partner with SmartMoney, the SME Financial Literacy Podcast, we would love to collaborate. Together, we can strengthen the financial foundation of SMEs and build more sustainable businesses. This is Mawuena. Thank you for listening. Remember, understand your money, control your business, build lasting success. See you in the next episode.